Most people get this wrong when trying to earn faster with Mistplay. They spend hours playing random games and wonder why their progress feels slow. Here's the truth no one tells you. Earning more isn't usually about playing longer. It's often about playing smarter. In this video, you'll learn some of the best Mistplay strategies for 2026, how to maximize your time, and the common mistakes that slow down your progress. Let's jump straight into the first strategy. When you first open Mistplay, don't install every game you see. Instead, take a few minutes to review the available options. Some games may offer better progression opportunities for your playing style than others. For example, Alex enjoys strategy games and regularly plays them for several days. Because he sticks with games he actually likes, he stays engaged longer and gets more value from his playtime compared to someone who constantly switches between games. Here's a quick win. Choose games you genuinely enjoy. Consistent gameplay is often more effective than constantly chasing new offers. But here's the problem. Many users install several games at once and barely spend time on any of them. This scattered approach can make tracking progress more difficult and often leads to frustration. This is where most people fail. They focus on quantity instead of consistency. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of the smartest habits is checking for new opportunities and promotions regularly. Reward platforms occasionally update available games, bonus offers, or earning opportunities. Staying informed can help you spot valuable opportunities early. Another useful strategy is making sure games are installed through the platform whenever required. This helps ensure activity is tracked properly and reduces the chance of missing eligible progress. In a minute, I'll show you one simple habit that many experienced users follow. Keep your apps updated. This sounds basic, but outdated versions can sometimes create tracking issues or prevent you from accessing newer features. It's one of the easiest improvements you can make. Here's another micro win. Set a realistic play schedule. John spends a short amount of focused time each day, instead of playing randomly throughout the week. This helps him stay organized and monitor his progress more effectively. But here's the key thing to remember. There is no guaranteed shortcut to rewards. Be cautious of videos promising secret hacks, unlimited earnings, or instant results. Responsible use of the platform and consistent activity are usually the most reliable approaches. Let's recap. The best Mistplay strategy in 2026 is choosing games you enjoy, staying consistent, checking for new opportunities, installing games correctly, and keeping everything updated. Small improvements in your approach can make your overall experience much better. If you found these tips helpful, leave a comment sharing your favorite Mistplay game, hit the like button, and subscribe for more reward app guides, tech tutorials, and practical tips.